times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, gotta fix this up. Thank you so much. Today I'm doing another one of my Wig 101 series. I have a whole playlist on that. I also have a wig tips playlist, so you might want to check those out. And today I'm doing just a quick one on how to put on a synthetic wig. I often do this in my videos, but I don't really talk about it, and I don't have a specific video on it, so I thought I would do that today. So the first thing that I do when I put on my synthetic wig is I get my wig cap. You're going to want to get one that is close to your color if possible. Sometimes people like to use a black wig cap, which can mask the scalp as well, but this is to keep your hair down and it helps keep the wig in place. I currently have very short hair, so I do not need to worry about it, but if you have longer hair, you're going to want to braid your hair down. When I had longer hair, I would put my hair in a low ponytail right here and then braid it and pin it up. Sometimes I put it in two ponytails and braid it and pin it up. You're going to want to make your hair as flat as possible. So we're going to put the wig cap on. I'm going to take my headband off. I put my wig cap on. I'm putting on like to push my hair back, and I put it behind my ears and make sure like my sideburns, and then I usually pull back on it so that this elastic edge is flat. Okay, so I'm all good. We're going to be using Modell's Libby today. It's a lace parting wig. It's not a lace front wig. There is a show and tell on this wig, so you can look that up. I put my wigs on back to front, but you'll see that there are two combs in this wig in the front, and then there's combs in the back, adjustable straps. You're going to want to adjust the straps. They're similar to bra straps. You're going to want to adjust the straps to your liking in terms of fit. I've already been wearing this wig, so I already have adjusted the straps. So I'm going to put this on back to front. I'm going to step back here. Normally I do this out of frame, but I'm not doing that today. So I'm going to put this on so that I use my thumbs and slide them around to the front and put this down so that it's comfortable. I then fling the hair back, and then I adjust the wig. So part of the way, one way you can adjust the wig is to grab the actual ear tabs of the wig and make sure that they are in place, and that could be your starting point. I then usually pull down the back part of the wig and make sure that that's comfortable, and then I pull up on the front and place it on my hairline where I would like it to be. Then for me, if you want to put the combs in, you can. I only usually put the back comb in. I don't often put the front comb in unless I'm going somewhere where I would be afraid that my wig was going to get tugged off. So you can put the back comb in. When I put the front combs in, I usually take my thumb up underneath here and find the comb, which is right here. I flip it this way, and then I put it up under the wig cap, just like that. So we'll do it on this side too, since I already... So I just adjust it a little bit so that it feels comfortable on my head. I usually, if it's a longer wig, I bring all the hair to the front and comb through, get it looking nice. And then just for realistic purposes, I usually take my powder. I currently am using the Bare Minerals Bare Pro in the color Cool Beige 10. This is their pressed foundation powder. I'm panning this, which is nice. Although I love this color, it's like perfect for my skin. And I put it right here in the part. I use this paddle makeup brush, toothbrush. It's meant for like liner or stuff along the lash line. I think it's perfect for putting powder in the part. So I'm going to do that. And then there you go. My wig is on and I am ready to go. Yeah, that is just the real basic of how to put a wig on. For other wig tips and tricks, like I said, check out that wig tips playlist and also the Wig 101 playlist. If you have any other Wig 101 topics that you would like me to cover, please put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.